this week's episode, we are going to take you with us on an epic adventure to SuperPark, Australia's ultimate indoor adventure park for kids. This isn't just any indoor playground. SuperPark is an all-in-one adventure park packed with over 15 thrilling activities that will get you moving, jumping, sliding and playing like never before. And guess what? It's designed for the whole family, so even your parents will be joining in on the fun. So get ready for a non-stop action-packed day where boredom is not an option. Whoa! There's a trampoline park, a basketball court. Originally from Finland and with over 15 super parks worldwide, Lucas and I are super excited to finally visit Australia's first ever super park. It's time for Super Move! Super Move is an interactive game that mixes gaming with movement. Feel the excitement as you race in a virtual challenge that will get your heart pumping and your feet flying. This is just any trampoline. This is SuperJump. Here we get to bounce, leap and soar as we take on awesome missions in this super cool interactive game. Oliver and I are now in the fast lane as we race each other on the 50-meter pedal car track. Lucas and I are huge basketball fans, and so we love Super Hoop, a digital basketball game where we race against the clock to see how many baskets we can score before the time runs out. The clock is ticking, as this isn't your regular 10-pin bowling. Super bowling is a fast and furious challenge. Roll the ball into the right holes and score as many points as you can in just 1 minute. Alternate shot. Throw it in the air. We are now making our way to Lucas's favourite, the ninja track. This obstacle course will require we duck, dive and dart, just like a super ninja warrior.
Again, give me back one more time. Very high. Now we'll do it backwards.
Let's go. We're now in Adventure City, my favourite part of the playground, as we get to climb up 6 metres high, crawl through twisty tunnels and zoom down super speedy slides. Every corner is packed with big fun and awesome challenges.
Guys, ready for me to do a big cannonball? I'm in ragdoll mode.
I'm stuck, help me!
Okay, it started.
Lucas and I are all played out, but we had an awesome time at SuperPark today, and we hope you did too.
This was so fun. This is the best play park I've ever been to.